Ukurtong United Democratic Party wala job election Soyong constituency wa Synshar Kupar ling do Thabah ha khadri turik jimang wala bam Smai kum Dkhot banriu phau jog Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla lapan bam Smai wa Synshar rusembut lampang ke Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla utimothi di shira kumaj pun kemau wa Synshar ukurtong UDP wala job iksuki na Soyong hadi mula pelim no ukurtong ke National People's Party wa Assembly Malyang dalai hajar saus ba arpa vote hakaba wala yo hadu khandri hajar ndus pa nyub kunai vote kalba ba samnen wala yo khala hajar ars pa san phanyo vote
Synshar Kupar Ïing Thabah newly elected member from
I, Synshar Kupar Ïing Thabah, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Si walang kapang mo, nang niskumat sedang like what I've said, starts a new era, Soyong constituency, and also I think a good thing, and with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state. New era means a new MLA of Soyong constituency starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. I didn't say much about that, but being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly. I think all starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero.